Hello students, today I am going to start chapter 1 of your book Meaning and Objective of Accounting. This chapter is all about the introduction of accounting. So meaning of accounting. Accounting is the language of business which helps in recording the business transaction in accounting books. It is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing business transaction. You all know the meaning of business transactions and communicate the results to interested parties. Features of accounting. First, accounting is an art as well as science. What is the meaning of art? Art means presentation of your skills. So, accounting is also an art of recording, classifying and summarizing business transaction in a presentable manner. And what is science? Science means based on facts, based on experimentation. Similarly, accounting is also a science because it is an organized body based on specified principles and standards. There are so many principles and accounting standards on which accounting is based. Number 2, second feature, recording of financial transactions only. What do you mean by financial transaction? Financial transaction which can be measured in terms of money. There are so many transactions in business which are very important for business but cannot be expressed in terms of money, and hence they will not be recorded in the accounting books. Only those transactions which are of financial nature will be recorded. For example, call between two employees will not be recorded in the accounting books despite of getting heavier losses due to this, but quarrel of two employees will not be recorded in the books because it is not of financial nature. Third feature of accounting is recording in terms of money. Every transaction is recorded in the books in terms of money only. For example, if a business purchase 200 shares of 500 each, then rupees 1 lakh will be recorded in the accounting books. But if the information is only this one, 200 shares, and money is not there, amount is not there, then how will we record in the accounting books amount? So, along with 200 shares, amount should be there to record it in accounting books. Next, classification. After recording transaction in journal, we record all the transaction of accounting in the book journal. Clear? What is the name of book of recording? Journal, or we can say subsidiary books. The transactions are first recorded in journal or subsidiary books. After that, the transactions are classified in groups. Transactions are classified in groups and that is called ledger. First of all, transactions are recorded in journal, then transactions are classified in various groups is called ledger. In ledger, separate accounts are opened for purchase, sale, assets, etc. Means similar nature transactions are recorded in one account, such as purchase, such as sale, such as assets, etc. Next feature is summarizing. It means the art of summarizing means the art of presenting data in understanding manner so that it can be useful for management and other users. Summarizing means to find out the summary of accounting transaction, means art of presenting data. Last feature is communicating. Accounting also communicate financial data, financial information to various users. Users such as government, lenders, creditors, etc. Now see this diagram. Accounting